Your identity isn't who you are, it's who your neurons have practiced being. And once you understand how the brain rewires itself, you stop trying to change your life through willpower and start changing it through biology. Welcome to Quantum Life. Every version of you, confident you, anxious you, focused you, distracted you, exists as a neural pattern inside your brain. These patterns form through repetition, emotion, and experience. Over time, they become automatic. This is why transformation feels so hard. You're not fighting your personality. You're fighting your wiring. Neuroscience shows that every thought you think, every emotion you feel, every behavior you repeat, strengthens certain neural circuits while weakening others. Identity emerges through practice. At Stanford University, Dr. Andrew Huberman discovered that neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change, is triggered when two elements combine: intense focus and emotional relevance. When those two signals appear together, your brain releases neurochemicals like acetylcholine and dopamine that tell your nervous system, "This matters." Rewrite this. This means your future identity is built the same way your past identity was, through repetition, through emotional experience, through attention. Meanwhile, at McGill University, Donald Hebb revealed one of the most important principles in psychology: neurons that fire together, wire together. This is not a metaphor, it's literal biology. Your brain creates identity the same way it creates skills, through practice. Think about it. You didn't choose to become your current self. You rehearsed it through daily emotional habits, daily stories, daily behaviors you didn't even notice. Your identity is your brain's best attempt at predicting who you are based on your past. But here's the breakthrough. Neural pathways are not permanent. They adapt, weaken, strengthen, or dissolve based on what you repeatedly do or repeatedly feel. To become someone new, you don't fight the old circuits. You build stronger new ones. Let's make this practical. Every emotion has a neural signature. Anxiety fires one circuit, calm fires another, confidence fires another, self-doubt fires another. When you repeatedly feel anxiety, that circuit becomes dominant. When you repeatedly feel confidence, even practiced confidence, that circuit grows stronger. Your brain adapts to whatever you rehearse. This is where quantum physics mirrors neuroscience. In quantum mechanics, a system becomes stable through repeated observation. In the brain, an identity becomes stable through repeated activation. The more you activate a state, the more your brain treats it as real and normal. This is also why your old identity feels so powerful. It has been rehearsed thousands of times. But the moment you begin practicing your future identity, the thoughts, feelings, behaviors of that version of you, your nervous system starts reorganizing. A process called synaptic pruning begins. Circuits you stop using weaken. Circuits you activate strengthen. Your brain is not holding you prisoner. It is waiting for instructions. Let's try an exercise. Think of the future version of you, the one you saw in episode 4. Now ask, what emotions does that version of me feel on a daily basis? Is it grounded, confident, certain, creative, calm, disciplined? Now choose one. One emotional state your future self lives in effortlessly. For the next 60 seconds, breathe as if that emotion is your baseline. Feel the texture of it in your body. Let your nervous system recognize it. Repeat it again tomorrow, and the day after, and the day after. This is not motivation. This is neuroplasticity. Every repetition sends the same message to your brain. This is who we are now. This is who we are becoming. This is the new identity to predict. Your brain begins adjusting, updating, and reorganizing itself around this new model. Transformation is not dramatic. It's consistent. It's the slow strengthening of new circuits until the old ones fade. Identity doesn't shift because you want it to. It shifts because your brain no longer has enough evidence to maintain the old model. So ask yourself, what evidence are you giving your brain today? Identity rewiring takes awareness, focus, emotion, and repetition. Not force, not perfection, just practice. In our next episode, we explore the glue that stabilizes this entire process, emotional coherence, and how aligning your heart and mind accelerates identity transformation at the deepest level. Thank you for watching Quantum Life. If this episode inspired you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone ready to become more than their past. You'll find recommended books and research in the description below. And remember, your brain is always rewiring itself. The question is, are you doing it consciously or unconsciously?